Hello friends, this is Navdeep Mehta and welcome to AI. And today we are going to continue our previous topic, that is strings in Python. So let's continue. Now here you see we have completed at this part, print and type function. Now let's move to the next time. Now here you see assigning a string to a variable. Okay. Now here what is that? We should take this. Okay. Now here you see it is done by giving variable name. First thing is what? We have to give variable name. Then second, we have to give equal sign. Now this is your equal sign. Then a string value. And what our string value? Hello world. So this is our string value. So if we have to assign any string to a variable, first we have to give a variable name. Like that, here you see we have given text as a string variable name, then equal sign, then the string value. Now a string value should be in single, double or triple quotes. It's your choice. Now here is a multi-line string. Okay, it is done by using three double quotes. The point to be noted, guys, three double quotes. Okay, here you see we have write a is equal to 1 2 3 1 2 3. So you have to use three double quotes to assign a multi-line string. Multi-line string means assigning a string more than one line. Sorry, more than one line and in a single variable. Here be using single, not like that single. This is a, it will be anything, x y z a b c, like anything it will be, but in one variable you have to assign a string value which have more than one line, is called multi-line string. It is done by using three double quotes at the starting of the string and after at the end of the string, like that. Here see first line, second line, third line. This is our what? Output. So let's move to the next topic. Now here you see strings are array. Here strings are array. This means to say, first we know array. Array is nothing but it also collection of more than one value. Okay, here you see 1 2 3, like that. Here it is list in Python. Okay, or tuple, anything it will be. But if we come to C++ or C, I'm not knowing more than it, then it will be considered as array. There is no any concept of list tuple in Python. It is simply a array. Now if we want to call this value 2, then we use index number like 0 1 2. So if we print a1, then it will going to give us 2. Okay, like that. Here if we want to print the what was the value at one index, this is your 0 index, this is 1 index, this is 2 and this is 3. So at 1 what is this? H. So it is going to print H. So we can say strings are array because we can call the value inside a string. We can call the value inside a string using index. Okay, so using indexing, and it just starts from 0 and goes to n minus 1 because the last value is what? N minus 1. His length is total 21, but the indexing goes to 2 to 0 to 20. Now next, length function. Okay, length function. To get the length of a string, we use this function. Here we see alien text 21. Alien, this is Navdeep Mehta 21. So now here first to see, if we going to use length function in variable, then we have to give me just variable name because it know in text what was the stored. This is Navdeep Mehta. So you have to just put what? just put a variable name without any comma, sorry, any quotes, single, double, triple quotes. Now if you directly want to put the string value, then you can use single, double or triple, single, double or triple, and inside that you have to write the string value, that is this is Navdeep method. In the both case the result is same, and the length function is used to calculate the length of the string. Now here you see it will goes from 1 to n. If a string has 21 character, let us change the color. Now here you see, if a string have 21 character, okay, then its indexing goes from what, 0 to 20, and its length function calculate the length from 0 to 21. Suppose if we have n, then it goes from 0 to n minus 1, and it goes from 1 to n. This is what, this is index, and this is length. So length can be calculated from 1 to n, and index can be calculated from 0 to n minus 1 in Python. Now what we study here, we are going to see the practical implement of each things. So in the next lecture